Introduction. Welcome to ITMaster, your go-to channel for mastering design and creative tools. Today, we're diving into how to design seamless patterns in Adobe Illustrator. Welcome to this tutorial on how to design seamless patterns in Adobe Illustrator. Today, you will learn step-by-step techniques to create captivating, repeating patterns that flow perfectly without visible seams. Step 1. Setting up the artboard. Open Adobe Illustrator and click on New Document. Set the artboard size to a square, for example, 500px by 500px. This size helps in maintaining consistency when creating seamless patterns. Name your document and click Create. Step 2. Creating the motif. Start by designing a simple motif using basic shapes, lines, or imported vector graphics. Keep your design within the artboard boundaries. Avoid extending any part of the design beyond the edges, as this can disrupt the seamless flow. Use colors that complement each other and keep the design elements balanced. Step 3. Defining the pattern tile. Select the entire motif using the selection tool, V. Go to Object Pattern Make. A pattern editing window will open, showing the repeating tile. In the Pattern Options panel, you can adjust the following settings. Tile type, select grid, brick by row, or brick by column. Size tile to art, check this option to ensure a precise fit. Overlap, choose how overlapping elements are arranged. Adjust the horizontal and vertical spacing to create the desired pattern flow. Step 4. Testing and refining the pattern. Click Done to save the pattern to the Swatches panel. Create a new rectangle and fill it with the newly created pattern. Zoom in to inspect for any gaps, misalignments, or awkward overlaps. If adjustments are needed, double-click the pattern swatch to re-enter the pattern editing mode. Once satisfied, click Done again. Step 5. Exporting the seamless pattern. Go to File, Export as. Choose PNG, JPEG, or SVG as the file format. Ensure that Use Artboards is checked to export only the tile area. Save your pattern with a relevant name and desired resolution. Conclusion. And that's it. You've successfully created a seamless pattern in Adobe Illustrator. Practice these steps using different motifs and settings to master the art of pattern design. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to ITMaster for more design tips and tricks. Stay creative.